In this video, we are going to see how to apply subscript and superscript in Excel. Subscript is basically a letter, a group of letters or number or group of numbers which are below the baseline of the whole word, whereas superscript is above. The font of the subscript and superscript is smaller than the rest of the word. Now, the most common example of a subscript is if we try to write the chemical formula, molecular formula of a compound like water, which is H2O, hydrogen sulfide, which is H2S, or ammonia, which is NS3. Whereas a common example of superscript will be the units of certain measurements like perimeter, which is meter power 1, area meter power 2, or volume meter power 3. Say we have to apply the subscript on the compound H2O. So we will have to click on that cell, go to 2, which is to be made as subscript, select it. Then in the home tab, go to the font part, the font command section. In the corner, that is lower right, you will see a arrow like this. Now click on it. All the other options for font will open, and in this, if you see this part which is effects, here you will see subscript and superscript both. So we will apply subscript in this case, and okay. Now this font and etc. is basically the font for this particular part which we have selected. Click enter. You can see 2 has become a subscript. Similarly, doing for 2 in H2S, select 2, go to the arrow in the font part, select subscript, okay, click enter. Similarly, for 3 in NS3, select 3, go to that part, subscript, and okay, click enter. Now we will apply the superscript to this. Process is same. Select the number you want to raise to power, then font. Now this time select superscript and okay, enter. Then 2 in meter square, superscript, okay, enter. And similarly for 3 in meter cube, that is for volume, superscript, okay. So this is a very simple way to apply subscript and superscript in Excel. I hope the usage of subscript and superscript along with the way it is applied is okay to you. Thank you.